Hey everyone, my name is Anudeep and I am here to show you and display you my banking software which I have created using a single page of code. It's of around 1446 lines of code that I have written in a single page. So it creates a better application as well as better way to manage an application, a PHP application for that. And I'm going to display some working structure and how the information is sent and each and everything about this application. So let's get started about from this this application responsiveness. So this application is responsive actually because it needs to be, because any type of user can access any type of data from this application from any device. So that will be the best option for any user, that if it access from a PC, then the UI of this banking application is adjusted to as required per PC. And if the customer or the user accesses this website from his or her mobile or some smaller screens device, so that may be adjusted also. So we are going to test that only, and I'm going to display some codes that what I have written and what I have thought about this whole application in future, that how it will go or everything I'm going to tell. So the home and about page is actually incomplete, or that I have not written any content over it, and I've written only the about us model. So we update bank on daily basis and get tremendous results from our users. We always try to make it more convenient for the user to use bank. We at bank protect your privacy and protect your data by encrypting and storing it in a secure place. So I've written only this in the about model, and just going to the support. Support, you can just easily send any kind of message to the authority of or the admin section of the bank, or anyone who is just maintaining or developing this software. So we'll go through it and we'll just look through it. So first of all, I am going to register. So my name will be YouTube, and demo, my username demo @yt.com, and my password will be 123. You can just keep any type of password or any type of just anything in the password, and it will accept, because I have not actually validated the password as a minimum or maximum character length. So because each and every password is encrypted with, first it is encrypted in MD5 and then it is encrypted in SHA-1. So and after that base 64, and after that SHA-1. So it's super secure that you can trust our banking services, and you can just select the account type. I am going with the Pro. So there are 3 account types basically: savings, business and Pro. So you can choose anyone, but I'm going with Pro. There are many features that will vary between these account types. So I'm going to click on register, and thanks YouTube for registering. Now you can log in. So I'm going to log in, and my username was demo and my password was 123, and going to log in, and just you will see the simple dashboard where you can set your HPIN. HPIN is a pin or kind of secure for securing a bank account or this account. So no one can access your account without your permission or without you. And just I'm not going to set it actually right now, and I'm just going to display each and everything else available on the software. So balance, and I'm going to hover over this wallet and your current account balance. So it will display some information about this particular boxes that which are being displayed on the account summary tab. So going to this total transaction, your total number of transactions will be displayed here. Your username, while receiving money from someone or funds from someone, just send this username to get your profile on the suggestion list. I'm going to tell you that what is suggestion list and how it works. So just wait. And just going through next tab or next feature, which is called API. So you can just generate a API key. So I'm going to click it and API key generated. So this is the key. So the key is a combination of your username and a random number. So it will always create a particular unique key. Once you have created the key, you cannot delete or you cannot just change it, because it's unique and it's super secure. So actually I was developing the concept of API in this banking software, that how users or developers can use this software as a development purpose or just the payment processor. So everything goes fine. So actually I will decide each and everything what is going to be, and I will be informing you by this channel. And I'm heading towards my transactions. So you can just see each and everything about your transactions, that from whom you received the funds, or just each and everything you have. So you have rupees 0 in it. So I'm going to deposit money. This is just a sandbox mode. Sandbox mode is also known as demo mode. So demo mode, you can just enter any amount, like I need 1000 rupees, add money. So money is added. I'm going to my transactions, and you can see that 1000 rupees with comma or with number formatter is also included in this. So I have 1000 rupees in this, and I'm going to send some money to Anudeep, my friend of mine, or this is my account basically. So my name is Anudeep. So this amount is going to be 125, and message will be, hey Anudeep, and my password, which I have set for my account, is 123. So going to transfer this. Funds transferred successfully. Please wait while we refresh your page. So you sent funds to Anudeep Dwivedi with the profile picture, and the message is, hey Anudeep, amount rupees 125, date and time 12/27/42 or 12/17/42, 26th of July and 2018. And basically I am still developing the concept of this settings tab, or in this transaction menu, or the transfer history, because it's for developing this feature, I have to be very careful that the user cannot misuse of it or cannot use it as their hack tool or something like that. So you can just repeat this transaction, get info and get more information about this transaction, and get a refund. So if you regret sending funds to Anudeep Dwivedi, then you can just get a refund. So the banking authority or the banking administration will look after it, the process of it, and the user will be also involved in this. So each and everything is just fine and perfect. And heading towards my account. So my account will be just a simple page where download your data means your each and every data stored with us is easily accessible, and you can just easily remove it if you don't want an account over this software or bank or anything you call this software. Then you can just delete it, and we will just surely delete it your account actually. So I'm going to upload a profile picture where you can just see this model where you can upload your profile picture, and you can see your basic information over here. So your name, username, email, and account type, and HPIN status. H pin is a secure pin for transaction purpose or accessibility purpose, like if you don't want anyone to access your account while you are not there, so you can just do it. And I'm going to update the profile picture, so clicking on the photo and just select any of them, upload photo. So the photo is uploaded, and you can just hover over it and you can see YouTube's photo here. So the photo is uploaded. The working structure of the profile picture upload is that if you again upload any photo, just go to this link and you can see demo.jpg or jpg. If you will just upload a second photo or something like that, like this, so upload photo, it will be changed. And if you go to demo.jpg or demo.png, so the previous photo will be deleted and this current photo will be here. So it increases the performance of the application and the usage of the server space in accordance to the limited server space provided by the hosting providers, and that will save your time also. I'm going to settings page. So you can, if you didn't like the color of the bank actually the software, so you can just change it. I mean, just choose dark indigo, choose orange, choose dark theme, choose blue or pink, black if you like it or if you can work with it, or dark theme just if you are working or at night or something like that. So I like blue, and I also like purple. So purple is also good, and also you can change the URL of this image. So the URL of this image, the background of this software, like if you want anything here, like I want just going to Google and getting a profile wallpaper of something like peace or something like nature peace, nature peace wallpapers. So just going through it, and I'll go to the images section and select any of these images which is easily accessible by the user. So I am going to choose this one because this looks so peaceful, really. So clicking on this, and we'll give some time to load the image. So yes, and I will be displaying some database structure also, that how I have structured this database or the database of this software. So you can easily manage or just easily figure it out, so that how this application is developed. And yes, it's taking too much time. Let's see, this is already loaded. Open image in new tab, just copy the URL and paste it here and click on change background. You can see background changed. You have this option or something, a notice kind of thing. So the background is changed for you, this account only. I mean, if I am going to log out and just log into a different account, so the background to this account is also different because I have changed it. And if you will change the this theme or the color of this application, like I want red, so red will be also there if you log out this software from this software, because it is stored in cookie will be valid for 1 year or 100 years actually. So the cookie will be stored for 100 years, so that will last more than you. So I'm just going to log in through a different account, and my just account that I just created. So my theme was blue and my background was this. So yeah, that's actually perfect. I mean, this software I think so that it needs too much development right now also, because there are many features which require validation and which require many things that will be dangerous for this application. So just giving a look through my source code. So this is the source code of my application, you can see it, and there are 1446 lines of code, and this is the SQL file or the SQL file you call it. So yes, this is the thing. It's of 255 lines, and the htaccess file is just amazing. I think this will just handle all the information or all the requests that are gone through this single page of code, which will be easy for everyone to just so that's why I have just added these comments. So comments so the user or the programmer who will be developing this in future will also be helpful. And actually I was thinking to create a voice recognition widget in this, so it will be here or here, like something, so you can just give it some predefined commands. I'm actually talking about the developer, so the developer can give predefined voice commands that will like if you want to transfer money to Anudeep, like actually if I will say that transfer 200 rupees to Anudeep and say hi, so it will say Anudeep, amount 200, message hi, and password you have to enter by your own, or we will just figure it out that it's your voice only, or you're not in mode of panic or something like that. So that's NLP, actually natural language processing, and I have many plans with this software, and I'll be integrating machine learning and artificial intelligence with this also. And I am also developing some applications over this, so I'm using Flutter. So Flutter is a very good framework for development of Android applications. It's easy and just amazing. So it will just transfer the money, as I will display you again. Transfer, funds transferred, see, yes. So that's it, and you can just, I'm going to display that how you can get a support. Support is also actually validated and sanitized. So as per I'm saying sanitized, so the client side code is also sanitized, means it's minified and that's super clean, so the application loads faster. So it's done on this, the code looks like this, but the client side code is like this. So you just get only the meaningful code, or the what do you say in that, the necessary file or the necessary tags or necessary code with your application. So this is the thing, and this is the database structure that you get over this. I'm going to log in again. So forward tries, login tries, site settings, support, transactions, and users. Transactions has this much of thing, like to, from, IP address, many things like that, transaction ID and something like that. Support system name, email, message, IP address. User, so user will have this much of thing, and this registration date and time, that when what was the time at the registration or the time of registration. The account number is automatically generated when the user is signing up for the software or the bank account, and the API key is also generated, so that's good. Account type, account limit, that how much can you spend in one day or just one transaction. so that will be also optional. So I'm going to set that also, and as you can see, the password and the H pin is encrypted. So the H pin is totally different from the software, sorry, the password. So that's it. The software is, I think, is incomplete and needs more development than this. This is the most basic software I have ever created. So yes, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to give a like or share this video, and goodbye.